Okay, viewers, so we have on set today Mellissa King from the Rehab. So, Mellissa, tell us a little about yourself.
Well, you said it to the viewers. My name is Mellissa King, and I'm here to invite you all to the Rehab Lock and Key Valentine's Day Party, an event that you cannot afford to miss. It's all about the lovers. Can I lock do without its key? Absolutely not. And guess what? We're not leaving out the single people then. So ladies, if you haven't found the key for your locks, this is the place to be. Come out, find the key for your locks. It might be a lucky night. And the first lady to find the key for her locks, trust me, we have a surprise for them.
What do you have? The viewers want to know. What type of surprise do you have for them?
You don't want us to release it right here, but I'm telling you, they will not be disappointed. It is
so
Valentine's
tell us a little
Day.
bit more about this lock and key
Okay.
event.
Apart from the ladies, of course, finding their locks, we're giving the ladies locks and the males keys, and they mingle and meet and find the key to open their locks. We'll be having live band music, and I'm saying no ordinary thing. The keys is bad like that. People who go on tour play for different artists. The bass player out of this world, the singer Mariska, oh my God, awesome singer. It's a night you don't want to miss. You just have to be there.
Alrighty, that sounds very good. It sounds like they have a lot to look forward to on Valentine's Day.
Yes, lot of deals on champagne, wine, chocolates. Oh my God, the works. Reka, as you can see, it's a very, very beautiful location.
Yes, it is.
Right here at the D Rehab Upper Deck. It is the place to be on Valentine's Day. All the lovers, come on out. Remember, single ladies, come and find the key for your locks. Right here at D Rehab, live band music, crazy keysy, crazy bass player, Marisco on the vocals, right? Great singer. Can I say more? Lot of giveaways, chocolates, wines, deals, champagnes. D Rehab is the place to be on Valentine's Day.
Alrighty, so viewers, you hear it for yourself. You know the place to be on Valentine's Day. Have to be at the Rehab. Again, Mellissa, thank you for having us on stage. A wonderful view. Again, thank you for having us here.
Our pleasure.